Hi everyone. Well, we'll just do a quick sketch for our YouTubers, just to take us to up there along the west coast. Up the top there. Okay, I'm going along the west coast, and we're going to do a little mountain scene. Okay, so I've got just clean my glasses. I've got the hake brush here, and the hake paints, which are the Russian paints. So, St. Petersburg, I think they call them. They're made in Russia. They're very good. They're okay, fine for this kind of work. You see, I'm just going to. I won't want to get it too wet. I'm just stroking and wetting it. Just wet it, the paper. And while it's pretty quick now, while it's still wet, we'll just put some colour on it. Okay, now this is a little bit of Payne's grey. Catch it before it starts drying out. Now pick up an inch brush. This is an inch of hake brush. It's a 1 inch hake. Now we just make it the smaller across here, and add a little bit more of our raw sienna or paint or whatever you want to use, like yellow ochre, just the same. Okay, and then that's our sky done. So I'm going to get some more raw sienna and add a bit of burnt umber to it, and I'm just going to do it this area here. Okay, yeah, we'll get a little Payne's grey. Don't over wet it. Don't over get it running on your tray. Don't get your paint running. Try and use it a little bit dryish, your paint kind of thing. So it's something like that, can you see? So it's not running all over. Oh, so I better get going on that. And we put, go on, we put a little, that's strong, isn't it? Okay, now just a little bit of lemon in it. Burnt umber, although I've got all it, this is not really dark, so we'll not go too high. Bringing in some of your lemon yellow here. Now, from this area here, we're coming across again with your yellow ochre. Just about here, come across like this. Pretty straight first of all, then okay, see? Now I just bring this across now. I don't want to overcomplicate it for you, so just now let's just try a little experiment. We'll get a brush and see if I've got a brush that's a small square-ended. No, I haven't got one under there. I haven't got one. But let's see what I've got over this side. I want a small square-ended brush. No, I haven't got any. No, not got it. But it would have been handy if I'd have had a square brush, because I would have liked to have I would like to put a deeper colour along this foreground here. See, some burnt umber with some Payne's grey. Say I'll put some across here as a shadow, just like that. And then with your brush, if you have a square brush, just put a few stones in like that with it, with a square brush. I've not got one. I wonder if let's see if I don't destroy it with using a, yeah. Oh, but not of them too large. I'll have to use this small brush, I think. I'll try and use a small hake brush to put the water in. So we'll use some blue, ultramarine, but we must put some Payne's grey with it. Mix it well and get a nice point on. I'll see if it's dry. Yeah, and I'm going to and there we are. That's it. Now just put some bit of dark on one side of you. Now we don't want these coming at too high. So just to put a little bit of a shadow here. Just trying to get past those stones. A bit of umber. Now this is a very fine brush this. They can just put a blue colour here. To represent ripples, but it has to be very fine. If you had a bigger paper, 22 by 15, be easier. We'll leave it like that. Or you can give it another bit of blue underneath. Just like this way. There we are. Probably like that one. More around that one. Yeah. There you are. There's one from our Alan. Oh well. Where are we up to? Here.